Let's talk about 5 different ways that you can make money on Amazon without selling physical products because at the time of filming, the tariff situation is not looking all that great. So if you still want to make passive income or just extra income on Amazon, this video is for you. So let's jump into it. All right, the very first way that you can make money on Amazon without selling physical products or investing in physical inventory is by doing Amazon KDP. In case you're not familiar with Amazon KDP, it's pretty much a platform that allows you to self-publish ebooks or paperbacks for free, and you can earn up to 70% in royalties on sales. So why do I think this is a good side hustle? Pretty much KDP is perfect for writers, bloggers, or even anyone with niche knowledge. And by the way, you don't need to be a writer or novelist. I've actually made an entire video showing you how you can make money on Amazon KDP by publishing low content books such as coloring books or notebooks or planners by using platforms such as BookVault. If you're curious, I'll include that video down below. And yes, these days you can also publish a lot of books using AI, but that's a topic for a whole nother video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to hit that like button to support this small channel, and also follow me on Instagram because I would love to be friends. All right, let's move on to the next one. Number 2, you can make money by joining the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, if you have social media following, even if it's just a small one, you can always create an Amazon storefront and earn commission every time someone wants to purchase something from your storefront. Even if you just like, I don't know, an average woman like myself who likes furniture and fashion, every time you post something on your story or on your Instagram, you gotta make sure that you're letting people know that they can find that product on your Amazon storefront. Then from my experience, the Amazon Influencer Program or even just the Amazon Affiliate Program is one of the easiest ones to join. And the great thing about Amazon is that everyone already shops on Amazon anyways, so it's just a very easy way for you to make additional money by recommending products. Also, nowadays you can even earn money from shoppable videos, and sometimes it can be just a short video reviewing a certain product. As you probably know, as an influencer or an affiliate, you earn money from commission, so obviously your earnings will really depend on the volume of purchases and on the product category. However, it's one of the easiest ways to make money online by doing something that you already like, such as buying things that you already like. All right, let's move on to number 3 on a list, which is becoming an Amazon affiliate. So this one is a little bit similar to the Amazon Influencer Program. However, you don't always have to create a lot of visual or photo content. You can also recommend products by creating blog posts, and yes, you can use AI for that. I've covered this quite a few times. If you need a tutorial, make sure to check out my video down below. But pretty much you can sometimes just create niche blogs or affiliate marketing blogs, which is a very nice way to make passive income. And the great thing about blogs is, especially if you make something very searchable, this is something that can make you money over and over again versus doing something like a story on Instagram. Once again, your earning potential really depends on the volume of purchases, but it is a very fun way to make extra money online. All right, number 4 on our list is selling digital products on Amazon Ignite or Merch by Amazon. If you've never heard of Amazon Ignite before, it's a platform that allows you to sell educational resources like worksheets, lesson plans, or printables. And if you're more into creative merch, Merch by Amazon is also a really cool way to make money through funny ideas. You can design your own t-shirts, mugs, or any merch that you can then sell on Amazon. Now, in all transparency, Merch by Amazon is a little bit difficult to get approved for or get accepted into the program, but if you're able to do that, Amazon is once again one of the most popular places for people to shop, and especially if you can make like funny t-shirts or like some seasonal items, that can be a really fun way for you to make extra money. And once again, the great thing about Merch by Amazon is that all the shipping and fulfillment is done for you, so all you need to do is to come up with cool ideas and then just make passive income on Amazon. So the 5th way that you can make money on Amazon without physical inventory is narrating audiobooks. Now, if you have a good voice, or you just very articulate, or you love reading, or if you're a voice actor or an actor, you can always make money with Amazon ACX, which stands for Audiobook Creation Exchange. So pretty much the way it works is you literally read audiobooks and record yourself. The cool thing is that this job can totally be done from home, and the way that you get compensated is you will earn royalties on your audiobooks, which means that you're earning a percentage of each sale. Now, the nice thing is that especially if you get to narrate a semi-popular book, you will end up making money over and over again for a long period of time, and once the narration is done and recording is done, it is pretty much a fully passive income. Now, the earning potential can definitely really vary in this one depending on the popularity of the book and amount of purchases, but once again, this can be a really great side hustle if you're a voice actor or a podcaster or a YouTuber or just someone who has a good voice. Now, I am an Amazon FBA seller, and I'm at the point where I'm not exactly sure if my physical product business is going to survive all of these tariffs and all the changes that recently happened. But if we look back in history, some of the greatest people in minds have always evolved and found new ways to still make income and to still progress with their career and earnings. And I think that if you've been making money money on Amazon or thought about making money through physical products on Amazon, but not sure how to do it with everything that is happening, I think these 5 ways could be a really great alternative way for you to still make money through Amazon, which is obviously a very powerful and very widely used platform. By the way, if you like this video, I actually think you're going to like this one as well. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps a small YouTuber like myself and allows me to make more videos for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!